on, Mink!
Get in! Come on! Get in! Come on, Mary! Help me!
Oh, you're horrible and disgusting. I hope you're not here when I get back. I don't ever want to lay eyes on your faces again. I hate you. You've driven me from my own home.